Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by Blade Edge. Definitely a familiar name, of course. Thank you very much, Blade Edge. You guys should follow him on Instagram, but I'm sure there's a note in here. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's see. I can't remember. A whole bunch of stuff. You guys know here recently I put up a post, and it's still there. There are definitely still knives I am looking for review. So there's a listing in my community tab of the knives I'm looking for loaners. You will, of course, get the knife back with some MC swag. But go check that out. I would appreciate that if you want to see what I'm looking for. Okay, what do we have? Well, we have a Spyderco with a note. Thank you. Wonderful, Blade Edge. Wonderful. Hang on. I know, you guys love that. I'm sure the thumbnail was... You guys insta-click on those those Spyderco thumbnails. Ah, yes, okay. Here is his Instagram. Sorry, let me fold it. I'm trying to fold it so as not to reveal any personal information. Right there, Blade Edge on Instagram. Yeah, so this is a variant of knife that I have already reviewed before, but I thought you guys might find it interesting. This is the Spyderco Delica, but in wharncliffe form. Interesting. The reason I wanted to take a look at this, I've reviewed the Delica, right? Good knife. Not my favorite materials in the entire world. I do have a Delica that I own, that I carry, at EDC, because the materials are much different. But I do like this blade shape, and I've found that wharncliffes and sheepsfoot blades are very preferable for EDC. So I thought, let's take one of the most legendary EDC folding knives of all time. Yeah, whether you like it or not, the Delica simply is, like if you were to take like a mass vote, a lot of people would throw the Delica in there amidst, you know, some other ones, your 940s, your Benchmade Griptilians, right? The Delica would definitely be included if we're going to talk about what most people consider to be some of the greatest EDC folding knives of all time. What do I think about it with a wharncliffe blade? Well, I definitely like the blade. This will get its own video for sure, even though I've reviewed the Delica, I think twice. I think I've actually got 2 Delica videos, different forms of them. But this is interesting enough, and I'm always happy to look at Spydercos. People always tell me, you're just a Spyderco channel. No. I have a playlist dedicated to Spyderco knives if you want to see how many videos I've actually done on Spyderco knives. I've got about 2,000 videos, and less than 200 of them were Spyderco knives. So I probably have as many Hinderer videos, or maybe not, I don't know. I probably review more Spydercos than most other things, but you got to understand, there are a lot of Spyderco models. There are probably more Spyderco models than there are, you know, with any other brand has model. I think Spyderco has more models than any other brand is what I'm trying to say there, right? So they also do odd variants of things, and sometimes they're interesting, sometimes they're not. This is interesting. So anyways, I think that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. The full review of this will come a few weeks down the road. This is just unboxing and first impressions. I will link this guy down below. I believe it's available, so you guys can check it out if you want to. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all of my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.